Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix CarPlay not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First solution, you have reset network setting. If your CarPlay has encountered the issue of CarPlay suddenly stop working and the problem continues to persist, consider adapting a network setting reset. When problem is associated with network connectivity, resetting the network setting can effectively resolve it. So you have open the setting and then we have scroll up, then we have click on general, scroll up, then we have click on transfer or reset iPhone. So then we have click on reset network setting iPhone, given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have check USB cable. If worth nothing, that certain users options for a alternative lighting cables to connect to CarPlay, which can potentially lead to issues. To ensure a smoother CarPlay experience, it is strongly advised to utilize the experiment with different USB ports within your vehicle, as this could help troubleshoot and resolve any connectivity problem you might encounter. Then third solution, you have check Siri setting. If you are encountering difficulties while attempting to establish a connection with Apple CarPlay using Siri voice commands and find that Siri is not responding as expected, it is critical to check whether Siri is permitted to function when your device is locked state. Here what you can do, so you have open the setting, you have click on Siri and search, so you have listen for Siri, press home for Siri, so you turn off on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, make sure Bluetooth is connected. Another circular accept to attend to without omission is ensuring the Bluetooth connection is established. This becomes particularly important when utilizing CarPlay wirelessly to perform this check. Then fifth solution, you have disable aeroplane mode when facing connectivity issues with Apple CarPlay. It is important to check if airplane mode is entered and derivatively activated, as this can disrupt the connection. To verify and resolve this, so you have open the setting, you have click on blue airplane mode, turn on and off. Then last solution, make sure CarPlay is enabled. If you have been experiencing issue with Apple CarPlay not working, it is possible that your iPhone restrictions might be the culprit. To address this, go to the your iPhone settings, so you have and access screen time, so you have click here, from there select content privacy restrictions, so you have click here and then within this menu you have tap on load app, so then make sure that CarPlay is enabled from here. I have already enabled, so hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.